Hostinger Horizons tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using Hostinger. Hostinger is an amazing tool that we all know and love for its website, domain, email, and VPS services. But Hostinger now has this new product called Hostinger Horizons. Hostinger Horizons allows you to bring your idea to life and you can build your own web application within minutes. There is no coding required and it's AI based. All you have to do is start by chatting, and once you chat and proceed with your idea, you can then build your own web application. Now for this, all you have to do is go into hostinger.com/horizons, and from here we're going to click on sign up or log in on the top right. I already have a Hostinger account, so I'm just going to log on to that account. Now, once you do that, you can proceed with building your application. Now, there are a few different variants of Hostinger. So we have the single, premium, business, and the cloud startup. And when you take a look at multiple different plans, you guys can see if you choose to upgrade, you will get more credits basically that allow you to use the Hostinger Horizons plan. So you can start for free, there's no credit card required, and you're just going to describe what type of application you want. You can see if you want a modern landing page, a website portfolio website, a expenses tracker. So I want to build a web game for tic-tac-toe against a computer, and I'm just going to provide it with this really simple description. Now keep in mind you only get 3 search queries or 3 basic starting questions. After that you would have to upgrade. So we have 5 messages. This has been upgraded. So we have 5 messages that we can use completely for free, and you guys can see the web app is building. It's actually showing us the entire process and how it is being coded for us. And you don't have to learn any of this. You can just type in the chat and proceed. So on the left, it's going to give you a basic description. I'll create a visually appealing board game with a modern design, implement game logic with an AI opponent, add animations for moves and game state changes, include a score tracker, and game status indicators. And right now it is building the entire thing for us. Now, if you want to upload reference images for the visuals of the web app, or if you want to write your web app description with your audio, you don't want to type it out, you can use your microphone as well. And we're just going to wait until our complete application has been built up. And this is so long, and I personally could never do this on my own without the help of AI or Hostinger's Horizon platform. So we're just going to wait until this has been built up. And just like that, it has built a fun and interactive tic-tac-toe game where you can play against a computer opponent. And here's what the game includes: a visually appealing board game with smooth animations, tries to win a smart computer AI that tries to win when possible, blocks your winning moves, makes strategic moves based upon the classic tic-tac-toe strategy, visual indicators, animated transitions. And this is what the preview looks like. Now I can click on full screen over here to play this in full screen, and all I have to do is I can just play my moves however I want, like this. And from here I know there's basically no option for it to win or for me to win either. And just like that, we can see there's a tie. Now on the bottom, we have our game statistics. Visually, I think this is a great game, but if you want to move your game statistics to the top right, instead, I'm going to scroll out and we have the mobile view as well. So going back, I can provide it with a upgrade on how I want to change it. So I want to make the colors pink and blue and place the game statistics on the top left corner like this. And just like that, it can take into account whatever description you've provided, whatever changes you've requested, or whatever modifications you have. So it's updating the color scheme, it's moving the statistics panel to the top left and adjusting the layout for a better visual balance. Right now, it is creating a solution for these changes. And you guys can see with a pink and blue color scheme, it might upgrade the overall color scheme to white, pink, and blue, as that is a more popular and just a more appropriate color scheme. So let's just wait for that. And right now we're just waiting. You can even undo any changes if you do not like them, if they're not according to your own preference. And obviously the more complicated your description is, the more features you're including, the more time it is going to take to start building your app. So you do have to wait until your app is being built. I am just going to wait for my app to be built. And once our app has been built, you can see this is what it looks like now. Right now, you guys can see this layout I actually don't like because the scorecard and this is overlapping. So I can provide it with, a tip on how it should, move the scorecard as well. And just like that, you can suggest more improvements. Now, if you want to publish this application, if I'm just going to undo these changes and I am going to undo these. And once I undo these changes, our web app is being built. I am going to publish the basic version of my web application that was created. So let's just wait for this to revert. Now that it has reverted, I'm just going to click on publish. And for this, you need to create a new one or you need to upgrade to a paid plan. So that is, obviously the limitation of using this tool, which is that you cannot publish your apps for free. You can create them, but if you do want to publish your applications, then you are going to have to upgrade. Now, what is the pricing on Hostinger? Because we know that Hostinger is known for how affordable it is and how it provides a safe place for your domains, for your websites. So if you're looking to build your own applications, it starts at only $9.99 per month. So their pricing is incredibly generous, which allows you to send 50 messages per month and it resets every month. And the everything plan has everything that you would need, which includes hosting, easy domain setup, visual editors, and no daily messaging limits as well. So you do have this plan which allows you to basically use Hostinger to its greatest extent, and you even have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now they have their starter plan, which is going to allow you to send 100 messages per month, which is great for students, beginners, and enthusiasts looking to just get started. Now, this plan costs $19.99 per month, and it renews at the same price. And then we have the hobbyist, which is 250 messages per month, which also includes, all the different features that we saw. So we can, publish your application, and you have $49.99 as the monthly pricing, and it renews at the same price. So this is what is amazing because there's no coding. You can create beautiful designs. You can make your app interactive as well as make visual edits as well. Soon, these visual editing options will be available. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.